Hello, here we are with another video, and I will show you this article about tardive dyskinesia and how it's related to the receptors. And this article was published in Frontiers, and the authors are from Russia and Netherlands, and yeah, I think only from Russia and Netherlands. So it seems Frontiers has many journals. Like you feel like they're all the same, and they seem to be quite successful. As you see, the impact factor seems to be quite high. Or maybe they just open a journal and then they publish like one article, and the impact factor is automatically very high because of there are a few articles. So as you know, tardive dyskinesia, probably know, I'm guessing you know, is a common side effect of the antipsychotics, and it is about face. It can affect face and other components, and investigating role of serotonin receptors in modulating tardive dyskinesia by genotyping patients with schizophrenia. And there are serotonin receptors here in a population of 450 Caucasians and almost equal number of males and females here, and they were diagnosed according to ICD, and genotyping was carried out with this analyzer method. So this receptor gene in a group of patients with orofacial type of TD, and total diagnosis of TD was found for alleles and a statistical trend for genotypes. Moreover, statistically significant associations were discovered in the female group. So HTR2C antagonists change little to the associations of HTR2A polymorphism, but caused a major change of the magnitude of the associations of HTR2C variants due to the low patient numbers. These sub-analyses didn't have significant results. So I'm curious which sub-analysis. So I didn't get those. So these are the sub-significant, and I think this is the non-significant. And this is the conclusion, and it says further study of variants of the HTR2C gene in a large group of male patients who were not using HTR2C antagonist is necessary to verify a possible functional role of this receptor. For Grammarly, in order to is like a wordy way of saying something, and instead they suggest you to use only two. That's interesting. I don't know about it. So that it seems they mention here the same thing, and I think they repeat here the conclusion. So they also mention that some form of tardive dyskinesia is related to this. It's important to know how they assess, how they score tardive dyskinesia as well, because it may change. And even in the literature, you can see that there are some studies suggest objective way of scoring tardive dyskinesia by using like machine learning, like automatically, because it's hard to really score them based on like but how the body parts are affected. Like it seems to be a hard job, and I think there's a chance that some psychiatrists cannot objectively score it. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and have a beautiful day. Bye bye.